Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and I am doing a frog dissection with my amazing, brilliant young scientist right over here. She is so brave, and she is cutting open the frog today. Let's take a look at what she can learn about the frog.
Hey guys, we're dissecting a frog. We cut this frog open. Guys, this is the liver, and we see this teeth. Well, when you did, it makes this noise. And a little part of the teeth, they're right here, and this is the tongue. The tongue is past the front, so that's why they have two of this. So they grab it like this, and so they could bring it and they swallow it. They're causing the stomach. We're gonna see what's inside up here.
Grasshoppers, crickets.
This is the heart.
Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day.
Bye guys.
Lab Rat Academy for all your homeschool science needs. Hands-on labs are fun, you'll see at Lab Rat Academy.